Hello, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to find the estimated regression line, or also known as the least square line, or just the regression line. So, or the line best fit, sometimes I call it like that too. So let's start. So we go to stats here, we go to edit, and we type in our data that it gives us in the table. I'm just plugging a couple numbers here. Let's see, 2, 3, 4, and then let's put some more. 6, 9. Okay, and then here my L2. So L1 will be my X, and my L2 is going to be the Y. So here I'm going to put 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So if you want to find your regression line, or the line that is best fit, or pretty much just is the equation, come up with an equation that with these points, you will go to stats right here on calculate, go to the right, and right here on the bottom you have some options. Number 4 is going to give you the option number 4 is the linear regression. That's the one we're looking for, and it's going to display to us and the option of ax plus b. In other words, the slope times the variable x plus the y-intercept b. There's another one down here at the bottom, option 8, the same thing. The difference that they will give you the results as the y-intercept plus the slope plus the variable x. Times the variable x. So it's up to the professor, how he wants it. Again, before I forget, please like my videos, comment below, share it, and subscribe. And don't forget to read the description below for more information about the video, any timestamps that I might put, and how to support me. And yeah, as when you guys like my videos, the system, sees it, and that's how I get more audiences, because the system knows, oh, they're liking the video, so they go ahead and they do some algorithm out there, and it helps me out. Okay. But yeah, going back to this now, let me go back to right there. Okay, so we have the linear regression which we're looking for, and you just, by the way, the others, they do the same thing, but we have number 5 the quadratic, we have cubic, we have other types of lines, the ln, which is the natural log. So they will actually look at exponential is right here. So they will try to create a equation for, in this case, will be using the ln or using the e for the exponential, given the data. In our case, we just want a straight line. Your typical previous classes, y equals mx plus b. We don't want a quadratic or a cubic. X to the third power or x to the second power. In this case here, we want to say x. So we go to option number 4, press enter. It's going to ask us which list represents the x values and what list represents the y value. In my case, the x value, and I do recommend this, I'll keep as the L1. So I'll be sure to second and option 1 right here. Notice that the blue matches the blue on top. I'll go down. The y is good. I do have an L2, so I'm going to keep it there. Frequency list, don't touch that. We don't need that. And here we calculate, okay? And it gives us this. Now, if your calculator doesn't give you your R, which represents your correlation coefficient here. Wait, correlation coefficient? I don't want to mess up with the terminology, to be honest. I want to be sure that's what that is. Sorry about that. Give me a sec. Yeah, your correlation coefficient. Yeah, so your R square. If you don't see that, just go to the following place. Second quit. Go to car log, which is second 0. Oh, if your car log, if you, as you, I hope you can see it. It says it's in blue right here. It says car log. So if you don't see the 0 has the blue that says car log, it might be in your period, the decimal point. So just look for it says car log. So second car log. I know some calculators has it like they have the actual bottom. So we put second 0 for car log, and I'm gonna look for dynastic. Okay, so the letter D is right here, just to make it quick. Click here, and I'm gonna go down here to dynastic. There it goes, dynastic on. Okay, don't ask me why, but as a default, the calculators, they come off the dynastic. So when they have it off, you don't see your R square or your R. So you have to go to car log, go to dynastic on, press enter, enter again, and it's done. Now some calculator also has it under the mode or the setup. Let's see, this one. Yeah, this one also has it. Yeah, see, dynastic stats dynastic. Mine is on. See, you can go there too. Okay, you just go down here, go to the right, press enter. Of course, mine is already on from the start of this video, so that's why it's still highlighted. All right, so once it's on, you press enter. Now you press second quit, and then clear this. It's recommended to always do second quit and clear before you go to any other selections, for the reason that you might get your commands crossover, which has happened. It can happen. Okay, so back to our thing. Stats, go to calculate or calc. In regression, option number 4, enter. Everything's good here. Like, okay, enter, and again there it goes. So you got your R square R. All right, so your A, of course, is the point. In this case, the 0.55. Your B represents the 6.35, and the X is just your variable X. So there goes your equation. Y equals 0.55 X plus 6.35. Just be careful. Sometimes these numbers at the end has like an E to some, E represents your representing in scientific notation times 10 to the some power. So just be careful when you do, when you copy this number down, there's no E at the end. Oh, if there's E at the end, add them in your, homework and your problems. Okay. Now, of course, I do try these videos I try to put in the point of view of a student, professor, how the textbook wants it. If you work in a company, it's a different story. And also, if you're doing this, mostly for like bachelor degree, if you're doing your master's, a little bit similar, results, but masters, they probably want a little bit more extra stuff to it, not just the answers, but what's the meaning behind it. But again, my videos are mostly just for those students who are having difficulty in class and try to make it, just get it the way the professor wants it. This, of course, there's 100 ways to do. I can do this by hand, and yeah. But anyway, so that's that. So thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to check the description for more information and where you can follow me and how to support me. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.